My name's Nelly, and today I'm going to show you what a typical craft store website looks like with UENI. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you some of our customer websites and what the most important features are that they ask for. The number one most important feature of these websites, according to our customers, is the layout/theme. And that makes a lot of sense. You're not just selling a product, you're showcasing your art and your crafts. We understand the importance of having a website that's an extension of your art. Your website will be designed with your art in mind to create a beautiful space to highlight your work. We will not simply be looking to create a website that accentuates your work, but also a homepage that attracts future customers. These websites range from wood crafting to sculpting to resin applications to laser cutting and engraving, customized items, home decor, and the list goes on. Our team at UENI has worked with thousands of individual creatives to make websites that they love. Yet we all know that there's little things that you, the individual, the artist, knows about your work, and we're well prepared for that as well. This means that every single style choice we make on your website is interchangeable. Whether you'd like to change themes, colors, fonts, you can do it all in our easy-to-use editor. The number two most important request is the gallery area. With UENI, you can get a aesthetically pleasing website that can display high quality images and photos. Equally as important, you can also easily edit the information and photos through the editor, and you won't have to pay a web designer thousands of dollars to constantly update your website. Your gallery area will be able to display 4K HD photos, and you can split it into different portfolios, allowing you to showcase your creation process, your past work, your current work, and so much more. Along with this gallery area, your website will also have a shopping cart integration so your customers can easily purchase your crafts, as well as a message me section so your customers can easily reach out to you if they have further questions. The next most important area of your website is the About Me section. So use this section to tell your customers a little bit about yourself and what it takes to make your art. People love to know more about the artist behind the art they buy. The best art usually has a story behind it, who you are, what inspires you, what inspired your business, and maybe even who you think the art is for. Customers love to see these things, and they love to see the behind the scenes of how the actual art is made. So many of our clients actually have sections on their websites where they're showing you step by step how they made some of their crafts. The next section, which is very important, is the customer review section. This area will show previous clients and what they thought of your work. You can edit this area to showcase your best clients and help you build even more credibility with future customers. Unsurprisingly, from our own internal studies, we saw that a high percentage of online shoppers look at this customer review section before making a purchase. It's important to have your social media linked to your website so your customers can stay connected with you and the crafts you're making. You can use this area to link your social media so that customers can see behind the scenes footage of how you make your crafts, when you have special offerings, or when you've made new crafts. Whether it's Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, content is extremely important in this digital age. The next section we've labeled as miscellaneous. These are pretty standard features that come with every website, not just specifically craft store websites. So this includes a contact me area, a Google Map integration if you do have a physical location for your business, an availability section, and an amenity section. And lastly, this category we've labeled as other. So there are many different features that we've already showcased in this video, but if we've missed anything or there's anything specific that you'd like for your website, for example, a blog, a past sales page, a special listings page, or more, that can easily be requested with us and we'll gladly make that for you. Keep in mind, having an area like a blog section is a great way to create content and engage with your customers to show your professionalism and your creative thought process. Having a frequently asked section can also help customers by answering questions before they even arise, which will save you countless hours in the long run. So just quickly to recap on all the different features you get with your UENI Craft website, we have a beautiful website built around your art. We have a gallery section with organized portfolios. We have a store section where they can, add items to their shopping cart. We have a About You section. We have a customer review section. We also have a place to highlight and showcase your social media. We also have a miscellaneous section, which could be a multitude of different things we discussed earlier in the video. And then lastly, anything else that we've missed and you'd like to request, we'll gladly make that for you. Lastly, we understand the importance, and our writers have done a fantastic job of identifying all the key terms that the best craft business websites use, so we'd like to incorporate those into your website as well. So some of these generic words include things like handmade, personalized, imaginative, unique, and they are all applied on your business style and then further category specific words are used based on the particular art and craft that you're selling. And these key terms are applied to the most important text on your website to ensure your customers find you when they're searching for the most important craft store needs. If you did find this video helpful in any way, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more content like this, and I'll see you next time. Peace.